$123,000 is what this channel makes per month by uploading kids cartoon, which gets millions of views per video and become a money-making machine for its owner. Today in this video I am gonna explain you how to start a YouTube automation channel and post these types of kids cartoon and make a huge chunk of money in the coming days. So let us start with scripting. Open ChatGPT and enter the same prompt as I am doing in the video. You can also alter the command according to your need and change the timing of the script if you want to create long-form content. But for now you can continue with me. Always remember to give detailed command to ChatGPT or it will end up giving some random shit which will be of no use to you. After entering the prompt, hit enter on your keyboard or just click the arrow present on the command window and then your script will be generated. Copy the entire script and paste in Google Docs. Now from the link in my description, open this AI tool named as 11 Labs. Click on Get Started for Free button and sign up if you are using it for first time, and then you will land on this page. Paste your first dialogue and click on Generate, and after some processing your voice will be generated.
Hey Danny, I've got a plan. I'm gonna sneak into Farmer Ted's garden and grab all the carrots.
Download these dialogues and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. And also do remember to give 2 different voices to both characters. Now it's time to jump on the third step where we will generate lip sync videos of the characters, but before that, if you are new to this channel, subscribe it to get more such amazing video ideas. So let's start with the third step. Click the link in my description and open this AI tool. Choose your character. As for this video I want a rabbit, so I will choose the one present here. And then I will adjust its position and choose a green background as it will be easy to remove it while editing. Now click on the Browse button and select the audio which we have downloaded from 11 Labs. And then wait for a few minutes until it completes its process. After a few minutes you will get a video like this.
Hey Danny, I've got a plan. I'm gonna sneak into Farmer Ted's garden and grab all the carrots.
Likewise we will do for our next character, which is a donkey, but it is not available, so I just chose a deer. After setting its position, we will again click on Browse and select the dialogues of this character. And wait for a few minutes until the final output is generated.
Oh, great. Another one of your plans. Last time you ended up stuck in the compost heap.
And then hit the download button and save the video. Generate the remaining dialogues by repeating the same procedures. Now create 2 animation with a silence audio by which it will seem as if one character is listening to the another. Do this for both the deer and the rabbit. I will give you the silence audio file link in the description, you can download it from there. And thank me by subscribing my channel. Now let's head to our next step where we will generate background of the video in Canva. So let's get started. From the link in my description, open Canva. Again, click on the first video icon. Now click on the first video icon. Now in the search box type your desired background. As of now I want a green scenery, so I will search for nature background. Then choose a background which looks interesting. Now right click on the image and select set image as background to set your image on full page. You can extend the length of your video from here. Now we will add some animated graphics to make the scene lively, so here I will search for trees and from the filters I will check on animated. Then click on the graphics tab present over here. Now select a tree and position it in a way that it looks good. Similarly we can add a sun. Then I'll add a bird and butterfly and place them in the scene. Now it's time to download the background. So to do that, click on the share button present on top right, and then hit the download icon to start downloading. You can also make more than one background and change it while editing to make your video more interesting. Now let's head to our next step where we will edit and get our final video. From the link in my description, open Clipchamp, which is a free online video editing software. Click on Create a new video. Then click on Import Media and select the background clip and all other lip sync videos which you have just downloaded. Then first place the background clip on the timeline, and then place the rabbit clip above the background clip. Resize it on the screen. Similarly, put the deer clip which has no audio on the top of the rabbit clip and resize its size. Then right-click on the deer and go to Flip option and click on Flip Horizontal, and then your deer face will be towards the rabbit. Now from the Effects tab, click on Green Screen Effect to remove the green background of the rabbit, and similarly select the deer and apply the same effect. Similarly, add all the clips and put them side by side, and then add some background sounds such as birds chirping and try to explore your creativity to more engaging visuals. Now click on Export and select highest quality available to be downloaded and free, and then wait for some time and let it process, and then download the video, and this is how it will look finally.
Hey, Danny, I've got a plan. I'm gonna sneak into Farmer Ted's garden and grab all the carrots.
Oh, great. Another one of your plans. Last time, you ended up stuck in the compost heap.
That was a minor setback. This time I've got it all figured out. You'll see, I'm as quiet as a mouse.
Rory, you're as quiet as a fire truck on roller skates. I don't think you've ever been quiet.
Be creative and be consistent to get results, and subscribe for more ideas.